Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to make Windows Defender Antivirus not to scan EXE, zip, RAR file types. So without any further more delay, let's begin. So first of all, let me show you. Here I have one EXE file, as you can see, the extension .exe. So sometimes what happens in Windows 10 computer, there is a inbuilt Windows Defender Antivirus. So let me show you. So here is the user interface of that antivirus. So you can see here, this antivirus auto detects such kind of files, especially .exe, .rar, .zip, or any other files. So what happens, sometimes it suspects some files and it directly auto detects and consider it as some security threats like a virus or some other like that, or malwares. But in most of the cases it deletes automatically, so it's really irritating. So for this you can exclude those files, that is like exe, zip, rar files, or any other files you can exclude from auto scan while you are using a Windows 10 computer. So for this, just open the Windows Defender or the Windows Security user interface. So after that, once you open that, you can see your virus and threat protection. Just click on it. So under this option, just scroll down and you can see here manage settings, right? Just click on it. So under this manage settings, just scroll down. So you can see here in the exclusions options, you can get an option here, add or remove exclusion. Just click on it. Now here you will see on the top, add and exclusions. So just click on it. So here you will get some options like file, folder, file type, or process. So if you want to exclude some files, then you can just select the file. If you want to exclude folder, then you can just select a folder. If you want to exclude a file type like exe, .zip, .rar, or any other, or .txt, or any other file types, then you can select this file type, or you can select the process to exclude. So here I will select a file type. So say I will want to add like .zip. So I will just type .zip, and I will just click on add, click on yes. So now you can see here below .zip has been added. So now the Windows Defender Antivirus on scan .zip files, that is whenever it comes across a .zip file, then it will not scan it automatically. And even you can see I've already added a .exe before, so you don't scan .exe files anymore, and even those files or folders which I have added, you don't scan it right now automatically. So in this way you can make Windows Defender not to scan any files, folders, or any file types or process. So if you never known about this process, then try it out today, and I'm sure it will help you. If you find auto scan of Windows Defender Antivirus very irritating, then do these cool tricks so that your respective files, folders, or file types will not be auto deleted by your Windows Defender Antivirus. So if you find this video tutorial useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.